Don't make it so loud. Apparently, fish and birds eat the same thing. Ew! It's in my face!
Are you throwing at me?
Or was birds! Oh, that is wrong! Hey guys! Welcome to the vlog! Today is our last day in Hawaii, and today Dennis and I were going to a temple, Byodo-In temple. But before we leave, let's show you our Airbnb. So over here, we have a little kitchen, a little fridge, garbage, microwave, sink, little kitchen area. Over here is the bathroom. Very small. But there's a bidet, which is nice. They told us to leave our dirty towels right here, so that's where it is. It's the shower. And then a little mirror here. And then this little chair here. The bed. Little table over there where we eat. Over here is a closet full of beach stuff. So we didn't have to rent anything. There's a bunch of snorkels, the tube, chairs, coolers in here, umbrella. There's another one in there. There's a bunch of snorkeling stuff. This thing, iron your clothes. We never used that though. And then yeah, that's our little Airbnb. It's good enough for 2 people. And then this is our little balcony. We sat out there and ate once. And another view. See the ocean there? Okay, it's time to check out, so we're gonna go.
Cashless.
Look, there's turtles here.
Wow, it looks so real.
It is real.
Alright, have a good one. Thank you.
Wow, it looks so real. We are at the temple now. Last time. Looks like a hike. It's massive, but apparently that's
Therefore, please keep a safe distance.
I'm gonna go gong the thingy.
Gong the gong. Ring the bell. That's it. Harder. Let me smash that gong.
Don't make it so loud. That's too loud. That's hard. That's too hard. Oh, it's still humming. You hear that? Look at that.
That's what's up there?
I don't know.
Oh, it's just a little thingy for meditating. There.
Like yours.
I'm a bad influence. Or good influence.
But I guess the hum feels good. Whoa, look at these. Look at the floor.
Roots.
These roots are like coming up.
Can I go sit there and meditate? Sit down there. Hurry!
your incense in it. Look at the frog, it's wearing a bikini. Oh yeah, that was cute. Are these ones for chopsticks? That's a dragon. Yeah, that's a dragon.
There's some swords there.
Hehe. Got some fish and bird food. Apparently, fish and birds eat the same thing. Are you gonna feed the black swan? Yes. Look at that, guys! Look at that!
Okay, go ahead.
Here, you can have some. Yeah. The little guys are stealing the food from the big guys.
Just throw a bunch in so they all start coming first.
You can follow different. Follow this. Oh, look at this ginormous guy! Come up!
That's how you do it. What are you throwing at me? I'm getting all wet now.
You're selfish. If you haven't seen my Vietnam vlog, check it out. We fed these guys, but we actually like shoved our hand inside and they were like nibbling our fingers. They're so sweet.
Cute stuff.
Smell fishy.
There's some more right here. Feed him.
That's weird.
Put some in our hands. There's a turtle here.
Oh, does he eat this too?
That's too scary.
Sorry, turtle. Give it a lot so it doesn't nibble in your hand.
Bird. Closer.
Just put on your fingers.
I think the turtle wants some. Oh.
Hey, you're scaring the turtle!
He's climbing out.
Dennis, you're making them all go to the turtle. Go over there.
They're boosting him out.
Go! Come here. I have no food over here.
No, the
Come here.
turtle.
Leave the turtle alone. Here. Where's the turtle?
Turtle's still
Guys,
here.
get over here. Ew! It hit my face! I don't know.
Maybe.
Cool! Oh my gosh! That's so cute! Oh my gosh! Yes! Oh my gosh, there's so much. It's scaring me. They're so soft!
Whisper, whisper.
My whole arm was burned! Hi friends! They're just staying on my hand now!
Smart. Where's the smart one? Not me. Why is it me? Jump. There you go. That's a smart bird.
Dennis put some on his hat. Oh, they don't see it. They don't see it on the hat. Oh, what happened? Why they all fly? You guys don't want any more food? And that's the end of the temple tour.
What was your favorite part?
Feeding the birds.
Feeding the birds fish food.
Yeah, fish food. No, apparently they all eat the same food. I was holding it and it was so soft. I wanted to squish it. Okay.
Like and subscribe.
Oh, that is wrong. What the heck? They came from there. Oh, they're little ones. So cute. No, you run. I'll follow you. That guy's running. Go, 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 go. Go, go, check.
I think it's too small. Still one little piggy left.
That's so funny. On our way to return the car, Dennis went over a pothole and the front tire got flat.